Hello guys! Now we will make Japanese rare cheesecake. And our ingredients are 10 grams biscuit, 80 grams butter, 60 grams sugar powder, 200 grams cream cheese, 100 grams yogurt or sour cream, 200 cc heavy cream, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 tablespoon lemon zest, 1/3 cup hot water to dissolve the gelatin, and 5 grams gelatin powder. Let's crush the biscuit and melt the butter. Now the crust is done, we will chill this for 30 minutes. Next, we will melt the cream cheese. You can microwave this to soften. Now we will add the powdered sugar. Right? And now the yogurt. Blend. Let's blend this. Then let's add the lemon juice. And the lemon zest. Hi. And we will set aside this. Now let's melt the gelatin. And set aside. In separate bowl, let's twist. Let's whisk this heavy cream. add the dissolved gelatin and cream cheese mixture. Then, hold it. Mix it. Then, let's combine. Now it's done. Now it's done. We will chill this for 4 hours and we will add the blueberry toppings later. And for our blueberry toppings, we will need 2 cups of blueberry. We can use blueberry in light syrup or frozen if the fresh is not available. And we will also need 3 tablespoons of sugar. It's white or brown, it's up to you. And 1/2 cup water, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and we will cook this in a medium heat until thickened. Guys, we will also need this 5 grams gelatin powder. Okay, let's start now with the blueberry. Blueberry, sugar, lemon, and water. Haluin lang natin siya. Now guys, it's time to add this 5 grams gelatin powder. And now it's done. Let's set aside this. And okay. Oops. Oh, okay. Wow. Oops. Okay. Look at this. Guys, tapos na ang ating Japanese rare cheesecake with blueberry toppings. Thank you!